Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT. And we here with another unboxing. It is pink and girly items for Temu. And I got one surprise for you guys. That's a bag unboxing. So stay tuned. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of TT Squad. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So I've been waiting on this package for 2 weeks. And it's finally here. And I think this is gonna be my favorite unboxing product of Temu that I purchased in months. Because it is all girly and pink items from Temu. So let's go ahead and get into it. So it is the package. As you can see, I already kind of opened it because like I was just so excited. So I do have my prices with me. I will tell you how much I bought it for and what size the items they are. So the first thing I pull out that they got right in the front is the jeans, the high waist flare jeans that I think they're so cute. This is a medium blue. This is a size 6. I am 5'3". I weigh 129, so this should fit me great. This should fit you great also if you're the same size as me. So let's go ahead and open it. All right. Tell you already, like, look at these. Like, oh, look at those. Baby, this is a win-win, y'all. You better go ahead and order you some because there wasn't that many left. And I just love the detailing. Like, look at it. So these were $19.57. This is a size 6 medium in the fair jeans. So we're going to put that to the side. And the next thing I pull out is a little My Melody envelope car carrier package. Let's see how much it is. It was $6.29 for this. You can get it, have the other characters for this. But I love My Melanie and Summer, but I do like My Melanie better. How cute is this, y'all? Like, and it match my nails. Like, telling y'all better get on Temu, okay? I would have thought it would have been a little bit bigger, but this is fine. I'm gonna put all my important information that I carry in my glove compartment in here. So it can be nice and cute in my car. But this was $6.29 for this. Put that to the side. Oh, I forgot I ordered this, y'all. Look! This is a Hello Kitty charger. iPhone charger. Like, the packaging. So cute. So, let's see. I got this for $8.49. Oh my gosh. I'm telling y'all, I told y'all this video is going to be all girl and cute. Like, how cute is that? Look at the details. Details on me. So again, this was $8.49 for Temu. The next thing, I'll pull out my bag. It's the shirt to the jeans I'm gonna wear with it. Of course, it's pink, because like I told y'all, pink is my favorite color. So cute. So this is the heart pattern crew neck pullover. It was $10.07. I did get it in a size small because I want to fit snugly. Like, oh my goodness, it's really soft. This is so cute, y'all. Look. With the little heart symbol at the top. Ladies, you better go get you one. So that's gonna go with the flare jean pants that I got it with. Good good matchup I did. That was a good matchup. And set that to the side. All right. And so the next thing I pull out is the reusable sticky clean ball for your purse. So this little ball, you just throw it in your purse, and you get like any food crumbs or like paper crumbs, it's supposed to catch it so your purse can stay clean. Cute. This was $2.68, ladies. Put that to the side. Let's see. I ordered a lot of little stuff. Oh, so this has to be my, I'm assuming this is the credit card holder that I ordered. Let's go ahead and open it up. Nope. Oh, actually, no. This is the Hello Kitty mirror, compact mirror. Look, guys. Everything looks so like the picture on Temu. That's why I love Temu, because they not false advertising on none of their items. What you see is what you're gonna get. But this was $4.49 for this little cute Hello Kitty mirror that's gonna go into the bag that I did purchase. That is coming up next. But this is so pretty, y'all. Look, and she's crying. So sad. But the mirror, look how nice the mirror is. Beautiful. Again, $4.49 for that. We're gonna put that to the side. All right, we're getting close to it, guys. This is the next thing. This is the cartoon print credit card holder, which I had to have this because my other credit card holder is toe up, but this is so cute. This was $2.97. So yeah, it has all the pages, which I love this. This is really cute. I will be packing this today. Put my cards all in here and my ID. But yes, super cute. It's pink, of course. Put that to the side. All right. And this, I had to have this because I love air fresheners in my car. So this is the Sanrio Cinnamon Karami or my Melanie. Of course, I had to get my Melanie, but this is air freshener to hang up in your car. This was $2.69 for this. The package is real cute. So go ahead and copy this. There's other 4 characters you can get as well. And the last thing that all you guys been waiting for, all you girlies like me. This is the Sanrio Hello Kitty shoulder bag. They wrapped it really good for you, girl. I don't think I'm about to this, but I'm so in love. I'm so in love with like Sanrio, my Melody, and Hello Kitty and Karami themes. But I think this is my favorite thing I ordered for Temu so far. This is the Hello Kitty purse. Guys, look at her. I'm telling you, go and get this. They selling fast. I was just blessed that I was able to get one because a couple of days ago they was discontinued. So I don't know if they still have any, but this was $17.48. This is, look at that bow down face. Like, how cute is this? So yeah, and I'll show y'all the inside. It's nice and big. Like, I really thought it was gonna be smaller than this. This is okay for me. I can see myself carrying this a lot around. But yeah, this is the Hello Kitty shoulder bag, $17.48. So if you like all the products that I showed you guys today in my video, you know what to do. Go to temu.com to purchase them. And once again, like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of TT Squad. It's Fabulous TT, and I am out.